2025 marks 5 years of me reviewing home appliances, and it's been an interesting year. So today I'll do a quick wrap up of the home appliances, products, trends, news that worked for me and did not work for me as an appliance reviewer. Drop me a comment if you'd like to see what I'm looking forward to in 2026. With that, let's go. One of the best improvements I've seen this year is more brands adopting a 2-year filter life in water purifiers. Filter replacement has been one of the biggest pain points for most of us, costing anywhere between 5 to 8,000 every year. Many brands also had a feature where the water purifier stopped working if the filters were not changed after getting the alert. Luckily, that is changing. In 2025, brands like AquaGuard, Urban Company, and Attenberg started offering filters that last up to 2 years, reducing the overall cost of ownership by almost 50%. Great move, and I expect more brands to follow as we move into 2026. I've mentioned this a few times in my previous video. Here's something that I think is an overkill: the jargon of AI being shoved into every possible appliance, whether it makes sense or not. In 2025, I've seen AI-powered washing machines, AI-powered refrigerators, AI-powered air conditioners, AI-powered water purifiers, AI-powered air fryers, and so on. And like we all have noticed, in most of these cases, AI doesn't do anything meaningful. It's still not solving real problems, but is just adding a premium for its usage and adding more points of failure. Next is a good trend. Finally, well-designed home appliances. Home appliances are not just being functional, they're also being designed quite well these days. Indian brands like Nook, Lumio, Attenberg, Urban Company have entered the home appliance market and have brought a level of design sensibility that was missing in the Indian market. Whether it is Nook's designer kitchen appliances, or Lumio's sturdy and well-designed projectors, or Attenberg and Urban Company's foray into kitchen appliances, we are seeing some thoughtful color palettes, minimal controls, and products that don't look out of place in a well-designed kitchen or a well-designed home. This is a trend I hope continues and expands to more brands and more price segments. On the one hand, while design and aesthetics are taking precedence, some brands are charging higher for the same or sometimes inferior capabilities. Just a designed in India or make in India tag does not justify a higher price point. The price to value definitely matters, especially for new age brands that are yet to establish themselves in this market. I'm not going to take names here, but if you know the brands I'm talking about. 2025 saw more and more air fryers coming with glass baskets and now ceramic coated baskets. Hopefully, this will placate the concern many of you had to adopt air fryers due to its non-stick coating. These glass or ceramic basket air fryers are not just addressing concerns of toxin, they're also easier to maintain and easier to clean. Some notable brands here are the Nook and NutriCook with ceramic coated baskets, Usha, Acer Pure, Libra, Killig with glass baskets. Watch my detailed video on air fryers that I'll link over here for more information. Now, as someone who does not enjoy cooking that much, I was really hoping for cooking robots to succeed. But in reality, there is still a long way to go till they make cooking really hands-free. While the promise is definitely compelling, that is a machine that can cook end-to-end with minimum input from us, the reality is far from it. Most cooking robots in the market either require you to prep before the cooking starts or they need hand-holding during the cooking process. And the cleaning is still left to us. Prep and cleaning are the most boring parts and most time-consuming parts of the cooking process. If that is not solved, it's not of much use to many of us, especially at the really high price points that are charged for these cooking robots. What do you think about these cooking robots? Now, while cooking robots are not up to the mark, hands-free cleaning robots are finally becoming more affordable. As a reference, 2 years ago, self-cleaning robot vacuums were upwards of 50,000 rupees. In 2025, that has become more affordable to less than 25,000. So with this budget, you get hands-free cleaning for up to 60 days, after which all you have to do is change the dust bag for another 60 days of hands-free cleaning. The technology has also significantly improved. Better mapping, better precision, better obstacle avoidance, and quieter operation. If you've been on the fence about robot vacuums, now is a good time as any to invest in one. Now for news I'm not so happy about. Panasonic announced their exit from the washing machine and the refrigerator market in India in 2025. They will continue to double down on other products like ACs. While I'm not so bothered about their refrigerator exit, Panasonic was one of the few brands that consistently delivered top performance on their top-load washing machines. While they claim that they will continue to support existing customers with spare parts and post-sale service for these products, it is really unclear for how long they will do that. Lastly, I'm happy to see many brands addressing real problems in India, like longer filter lives or like supporting hard water. Whether it is geysers that have water softening filters to solve for hair fall and skin issues, or some washing machines and all dishwashers that come with inbuilt water softeners to improve the wash quality, this is a trend I wholeheartedly support, as it will save money on maintenance and extend the life of your appliances. I could go on, but I'd like to end on a good note. We saw quite a few hits and misses this year. What were your best and worst from 2025? Share your experiences in the comments. Even if I don't reply to all of them, I read all of them, and your insights often shape what I cover next. Thanks for supporting me in 2025, and here's to a great 2026 ahead. If you found this video useful, share the video and subscribe to become part of the 2 lakh plus community that trusts us with their decision making. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.